Let's go. Insane. The tunnels. I think I've seen people play this. It's quite a good game. Quite good. Here we go. Explore, collect, and escape. So I think I've seen this game. So we've got to collect fuses and put them in a fuse box somewhere. So there's a map. Oh, the map here tells us. Okay. Entrance, room, exit. Okay. Oh, we already are. We're already off, are we? Oh, we got a compass as well. Can we sprint? We can't sprint. Rain. Oh my god. Oh fuck! Oh fucking hell, that was... Mate. Wait, that came out of nowhere. Oh my god. Get in, get in, get in! Oh my fucking god. Oh fuck! Oh my god, oh my fucking god, man. Oh my god, this is petrifying. Right. Go down, left, 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 left. Oh, this is the fuse box room, okay. Oh shit, there's one coming right there. This is actually fucking hard. Oh my god. Oh no! Oh. Fuck. Right, so there's a room all the way down there. Go out right and all the way down, there's a room. I know. But he like catches you off guard, isn't it? Come on, get to this room. Oh, Firewave got another fuse. Go on, Firewave. There's nothing in here, bro. Oh my god, I just got clipped by the train. Oh, fuck's sake. Out, left, 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 okay. No, wait, no. Right, out, right, then right. Oh! God. Out and then go all the way down. Oh. Oh, that's gonna be one coming through. Oh my god. Mike. Ah! Fuck. Oh my god, he just wanted to outright and then straight down. Oh, bro. Oh, what's this? What's this? What? Oh wait, maybe try go to the exit, because I think someone might have found all the fuses. Oh my god. Oh fuck, I got absolutely clarted. Oh shit. Oh bro. Go! Go! Ah! Go! 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 Oh my god. Yes! Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, Maka, you got this. You just gotta get to the exit. Demi RTG. Get your compass out and just get to the exit. Late. What do you mean late to mates? No, JK, but there's been police dogs and an African man on the loose we had trouble with before. Really? Fucking hell. Oh shit. What do you mean late to mates? What's that mean, Mitch? Easy dub, yeah? RTG, bro. Bro, RTG's petrified. He's just staying in there. Oh, late teammates. Oh, yeah. Yeah. RTG, get your compass out and you can see the exit. Damn. RTG, bro, get your compass out. Rose, Dale, you're in a fucking situation there. Well, this. Oh. Oh, is this where we all died? Don't know, nervous? Wow. Let's hope it's all okay. Mate, fucking Firewave, I'm assuming it's green, bro. Firewave cooked. Bro got all the fuses. Harrogate. Well, I know what Harrogate. The door opened for the train. Oh. Is it just the same level? The door did open for a train, it did. I think it oh no, it's not. It is different. Okay. Go. Oh, there it is. Fucking hell. Oh. Oh, service room. What the fuck? Little cubby hole here. Oh! Fuck. I got absolutely nailed. Let me go back in. I need to study the map. Clip file. Bang, bang. So left, 1, 2, on the third left. Scream? You want me to scream for clip file? I mean, I've screamed a couple of times, surely. Oh, this is the fuse room, for fuck's sake. I found the fuse room. Fucking hell. Oh my god, there we go. Oh, it's a fucking... Oh, it's a dead one. Have I not died yet? Found another fuse, get in. Oh, I found the service room again. Oh, you found all the fuses. We gotta get out there. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. I'm so close, I'm so close, I'm so close. Oh my god, I might get out. I might get out first. Oh. Never mind. Have I been rage baited? Or have the fuses not been put in the box? Is that what's... Actual speedrun, holy shit. Well, they're opening that one. Have the fuses not been put in then? What the fuck's happening all around me? Oh, oh, okay. Need one more fuse. So. Yeah, I think if you interact with that fire with... Oh my god! He's got fucking murdered. Oh shit, no, go back in! I think Maka had one and he just got absolutely murked right in front of us. We gotta go fucking find this fuse. Did you just get murked? Oh! It fucking comes out. They come out of nowhere. You had 2 fuses and got murked right in front of the box. Ah! No! Fuck. Oh fuck, that one's opened right for a train. Oh my god. Well, another fire wave just got absolutely done in. Come on, Maka. You need to get to that exit. You got the 2 fuses, mate. No, 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 don't be coming. Oh, fuck. No, watch this. Serpentine, serpentine, serpentine. It's not. I will never get done in here. I'll never get done doing the serpentine. Watch this. Swapping lanes every time. Every turn I'm swapping lanes. I can't get done like this. Oh my god, it might actually work. Have I actually cooked? Have I cooked? Have I cooked? Have I cooked? Have I cooked? Oh, fuck. Bro, RTG's got 0 deaths. I'm just gonna chug it absolutely down this one lane. Go on. Chug, go, go, go. Oh my god, no! Go, 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 go. Yes. Oh, it's fucking... Firewave. Maka still ain't made it back with a fuse. Come on, Firewave. No, Maka, sorry. Come on, Maka. Come on, Maka. Oh, shit, no. Well, that's opened. Quick peek, quick peek, quick peek. Come on, Maka. You can do it, mate. I trust you can. I trust you can make it. I feel like we should do Roblox horror every night. This is fucking fun. I'm liking this. In the dark with viewers. Oh, go on! Yes, he's done it. He's done it. Why is the fuses not going in, Maka? You lying bastard. Oh, fuck, we got to go get one more fuse. We got to get one more fuse, we're missing a fuse. Oh, Firewave, you got the extra fuse, have you got one more fuse? Or why are you armless with no air? What the fuck? Well, you somehow lost them, mate. Mitch, you need to be on clip. You need to be on clip duty while we're doing this, by the way. Fuck. Not for long though, I'm going to sleep soon. It might have automatically done it, yeah. Oh, we need to find one more fucking fuse and we're on pretty much impossible difficulty. Like, it's got fucking insane now. Oh, for fuck's sake, that's not a hole. Oh, bastard. So left and just all the way down. I just saw him. Oh, I just saw him get murked. Oh, for fuck's sake! 10 deaths, bro. I'm actually cooked. Oh. Oh, I've got a fuse, I've got a fuse, I've got a fuse, I've got a fuse. Go on, please. Get in, get in, get in! Yes! 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's play those. I want to look at those lanes. Oh, here we go. Here we go. The last one of the night. Let's make it a good one. Let's make it as low deaths as possible. Oh my god, good room spawn. Good room spawn. So down, left, down, out left, and it's literally there pretty much. Oh, it's right there. Is it a good room? It's a good room! Get those fuses. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna check the map again. Down. Down. Is that a train coming? Oh, but it's a dead one. That's a dead room. Well, it was good for that. Come on, low death. Low death. Down and down, right. 1, 2, 3, third right. Here you go. There's one right there, and there's one further down, by the way. There's one further down. Go for that one. Oh, yes. I got a fuse. I got a fuse. Oh, we got all fuse. Oh! No! 1, 2, 3, or just all the way to the end. So left all the way to the end. Always got to check the shoulder. The gate's not open. The gate's not open. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. The gate's not open. Check the shoulder. Gate's not open. Gate's not open. Gate's open. I'm fucked. Ah! Come on. Come on. Right there. It's right there. It's right there. Yes. Oh wait. Oh yeah. You put all the fuses in. Get in. We fucking cooked it, bro. Oh, 2 deaths, bro. We cooked. Let me look at those lines. Let's look at those lines. Oh, Firewave. Where are you, bro? Where are you, bro? Go on, Firewave. I'll place fuse. Yeah, go on. Go on, RTG. Go on. Go on, Go on. Go on, Firewave. Go on. It's right there. It's right there. Right. Go, 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 go. The shutter's closed. The shutter's closed. Yes! He's done it! He's done it! Get in! Get in. Right, well, I reckon we call it there. That was a good...